I'm going to run a Vagrant script that will automatically install Oracle Database Enterprise Edition 19C on Oracle Linux 8.3. So enter Vagrant app. It's importing the base box Oracle Linux 8.3. It's already downloaded. If it isn't on the local drive, the Vagrant app command, it's downloading the box. This is the Vagrant file. As you can see, the Vagrant, it's automatically downloading from Oracle.com boxes for VirtualBox. Of course, VirtualBox, it's an Oracle product, so it's normal that Oracle has an Oracle Linux box on their site for VirtualBox. The script it's uploading into the VM the Oracle database AA RPM, and the first command in the script it's installing yum install Oracle. This line, the provision, it's installing prerequisites, packages that are needed by the main package, RPM package. Okay, and now yum local install the Oracle RPM, the main Oracle RPM, this one. This is the second line that is run by the script. And this, if we have an Oracle Unbreakable network account, we don't have to manually download this RPM, and we don't have to local install. We can treat the main RPM in the same way we are installing the first RPM, pre-install RPM. Until the main RPM is installed, we can talk more about setting simple DNS. We have to put in ATC hosts to put the name, the host name, to put the host name, and to put an IP. If we don't put host name and IP in ATC hosts, we get an error and the database can't install the listener. And this line, it's putting a password for Oracle user, obviously same name as the user. The password basically is the username. Afterwards, we create a scripts folder in Oracle Home. And in the scripts folder, we put only one script, which is setting the environment. And this script, it's exporting Oracle ID, Oracle base, and Oracle Home. And of course, it's adding Oracle home binaries to the Linux path. This script, which is is setting an environment, and this script, which is setting the environment, it's set up to be executed automatically each time the Oracle user is connecting into the Linux VM. Basically, we put the set environment shell script, we are putting it in a bash profile of the Oracle user. And after the environment is set up, we just launch the configuration of the Oracle database with setting with the default settings, and basically this is the whole. As we can see, Oracle database was installed, DNS, Oracle password, and the script was created, set environment shell script, and the last command of the script is the configuration of the main instance, which basically it's also creating a database, and this will take some time. I have time to discuss a little bit about the Vagrant file. In order to start the Vagrant app command, which I done it in the beginning, we have to install the Vagrant packages and the VirtualBox. Vagrant file has to be in the folder in which we are running the Vagrant app command, and in this Vagrant file I'm configuring only one Oracle Linux 8.3 Oracle Linux box, which is downloaded from this URL. If we need Oracle Linux 7, it's a similar URL. I put it in the comment above. And because I don't have an account to Oracle Unbreakable Network, I have a developer account, and with my developer account I downloaded RPM, Oracle Database Enterprise Edition 19C, RPM for 64 bits. I have to put the host name OLXA3 or a 19C, and this host name has to be the same as the one that I'm putting in the DNS, OLXA3 or a 19C. If I don't have the same name, then when the listener of the Oracle database starts, it crashes. So in order not to crash, the host name has to be the same with the DNS and with the IP. So I'm putting the IP. I'm choosing private network 192.168, and the last two numbers of the IP, A319, because I'm using Oracle A3, and 19 uh, Linux, Oracle Linux A3, and Oracle Database 19. So A319. This is the IP, and this IP has to be the same with the IP I'm putting in the local hosts, which is it's a it's a simple DNS config file. So I've talked about the host name, I've talked about the private network, and in order that the database does not crash, I have to put at least 2 CPU and 4 gigabytes of RAM. And when the Vagrant virtual machine it's up and running, afterwards Vagrant automatically it's executing provision OLX A3 Aura 19C shell script, which is this one, which I've already talked about. And now we are waiting at the last line of the script to finish. This is the last line. This last line is not only configuring, but it's also starting the database, and we don't have to explicit start the database, but after we will restart the VM, we have to manually start the Oracle database, and with this command, which will start also the listener. 36% complete. So as you can see in the folder when I'm running the Vagrant tab command, I have the Vagrant file, the provision shell script, and the Oracle RPM installer. And I want to talk a little bit about the host operating system. As you can see, the host operating system it's Ubuntu from year 2020 and the month 04, and the code name it's Focal Fossa, and this is an LTS long-term support version. 43 complete, almost done. After after the database will be up and running, I will connect. Let me check ground status to check the status of the virtual machine. So it's running, and when the database is completed, then I will ssh background ssh to the virtual machine. Okay. Finished. The script has finished. Now I'm executing SSH into the Vagrant VM. I'm connecting into the VMS Oracle user, and I will just execute SQL plus s systemdba. As you can see, I'm connected into the Oracle database 19c. Let's show the pluggable databases. Those are the pluggable databases, and let's execute one select, copy, paste, and this is the instance name, this is the host name, and this is the Oracle version, and this is the startup time. This is the select parameters. So as you can see, the Oracle database, it's functioning. Say f pipe grep aura, and these are the Oracle processes, and this is the Oracle listener. This is what I wanted to show in this video. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.